everyone, this is Diya. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. As you all know, Diwali is just around the corner. It's not just a festival of lights. It's a celebration of joy, togetherness, new beginnings and of course lots of creativity. घर सजाने से लेकर मिठाइयाँ बनाना और दिया जलाने तक दिवाली एक अलग ही खुशी और उत्साह लेकर आती है जिसको हम सबको इंतज़ार होता है. And what makes it even more special is when we add a personal touch, something handmade created with love. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful diya using just cardboard and pistachios. It's budget friendly and adds a unique handmade charm to your Diwali decor. Alright, so let's start with the materials you'll need for this craft. दिया बनाने के लिए हमको चाहिए कार्डबोर्ड, scissor, pencil, फेविकॉल, पिस्ताशियल्स, देन कैंडल. ये दो कलर कॉम्बिनेशन में यूज़ कर रही हूँ and a paintbrush. So grab your materials, let's get crafting. ये देखिए ऐसा कट करना है. अब हम इसको पेंट करेंगे. अब हम पिस्ताशियल्स को पेंट करेंगे. हमने सारे पिस्ताशियल्स को कलर कर दिए. अब हम एक एक करके चिपकाएंगे. देखो बन गया हमारा दिया। Wasn't that super fun and easy? I mean, you can make a whole set of these and place them on your entrance, balcony, mandir, anywhere. In a world full of ready-made decorations, handmade diya stands out. It carries your time, your effort, and your personal touch. Until next time, keep crafting, keep celebrating, and have a safe, bright, and beautiful Diwali.